And as promised, here it is. How do you get clients for your interior design and site work from abroad, outside of Nigeria, everywhere, any country? Think about it. US, UK, Netherlands, just think about Germany, everywhere. Get Nigerians living there to engage you for your service right here in Nigeria. Now, this is it. In case you are watching this video from YouTube, you just discovered this video from YouTube. This is one of the video or about my course on the ultimate online marketing secret for interior designers and site workers. So if you have not checked the course out, check the comment below. I leave a link to the course there. A course show you everything you need to know about getting clients to call you instead of you calling them. It also teach you tactics and strategies that you need to market your site work and interior design business with absolutely zero cost. Not only that, I'm also going to be coaching you. This is something I've done in the past. I suffer out of ignorance and I was able to discover and use it to my own advantage. So check it under the description, visit there, read about it, and more importantly, take action and get into my cycle. I will teach you how to become #1 with your interior design on any search engine. I will also teach you how to use Facebook, Instagram, and many more social platforms to get clients for your interior design and site work skill with zero cost. Of course, I also show you how to get clients by paying for advertisement. I show you how to effectively set up a Facebook ad, Instagram ad to make clients to come in your WhatsApp inbox to request for your service. I also show you how to win your potential clients instant trust so that they don't have to look for any other alternative but to choose you as their ultimate interior designer or site skill worker. Let me show you one of the secrets I've used for the past 5 years to consistently get clients outside of Nigeria to engage me for my POP service, my painting, and every other service that I offer. What is that secret? The secret is simple. Use Facebook group. Now, when people are building their homes, like when people are building their home, like Nigerians, whether they are in Nigeria or abroad, one thing they do is to join Facebook groups that talk about interior design. They join all these groups that are talking about they join all these groups talking about interior design, site work, medicine, all these things. They join all these groups because they know in those groups they will be getting interior design ideas. They will be getting interior design ideas so that they can apply for the build for whatever it is that they are building for their home, their office, and their whatever. When you post your previous work in those kind of group, or you make posts about how to go about interior design, painting, ceiling, and whatever, when you are making such kind of posts, you are sure that many people from different countries are seeing them. And guess what? Many Nigerians are in that group. Many Nigerians in that group. Forget, maybe you see some group that are Indians, or Indians, Dubai, Arabs, and all sorts of people. Nigerians are in that group. Nigerians in that group. So when they discover that, oh, this guy is displaying serious expertise when it comes to interior design or ceiling or painting, when they discover that somebody is displaying that kind of idea, they'll say, oh, and this guy is from my country, why not contact him? This girl is from my country, why not contact him? So that is how I was able to get clients both from Germany, Italy, US, UK, and many other countries. This is the list of the secrets, and I reveal 2 more secrets on how to get Nigerians living outside of Nigeria to engage you for your interior design and site work skills right here in Nigeria. If you want to unlock the remaining 2 and many other ways that you can market your skill, including how to get clients who are ready to pay you right now, call you for your interior design or site work service, please check below. I leave a link to the ultimate online marketing secret for interior designer and site workers in the comment below. Check it, take action, and let me meet you in my cycle. Of course, I will be giving you live coaching, whether call, video, or whatever format that will be convenient for you. I will be giving you 90 days free coaching on how to implement everything and teach you in this course. Also, don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you always need marketing, sales, and everything that come to do with business, how to grow your business, how to grow yourself so that you can also grow your business. If you need information like that, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment if you have any question about marketing for interior designers. Woo! Bye.